Hi, I'm Brent Baker with BOF Corporation. I'm going to talk about some of our latest updates to our Milk Moover product line that provides even more merchandising space. Many people like to talk about continuous improvement, but we make a point at BOF to live it, which is why we've reinvented one of our most mature product lines. Maximizing merchandising space in your dairy is absolutely critical. So from the ground up, we design all of our components to fit properly together to do this. Other companies mix and match their parts and you lose merchandising space, you don't go as deep as you can, where we keep in mind all of your space right from the beginning of our design. So we make everything here right in the US, so we have better lead times as well. So we have 3 new updates that provide more merchandising space. We've got our thinner divider that's patented. We now go from 1.5 inch to 1 inch channel, and we now weld in our side divider into our shelf frame. So with these updates, as an example, with our common 30-inch wide Milk Moover, we gain 1 3/8 inch merchandising space, but it's even better with our French door Milk Moover, we go and gain another 3 inches of merchandising space. So with our dolly frame, we now go from 1.5 inches to 1 inch on each side of the channel. That way you get a full 1 inch more merchandising space. So we gain another 5/8 inch of merchandising space by going from using our old 3/8 wire side loops to our 1/8 inch wide L dividers that we weld in place. Since we're in 80% of grocery chains in the US and Canada, you likely have a lot of remodels that you have coming up. So with older versions of our shelf frame, now you can get a wider shelf frame to provide more merchandising space, but we also have our rear back bar that gives you dual glide access. So for cleaning replacement, it's much easier. You don't have to take dividers or merchandise off the shelf, and you can pop a new glide sheet right in. For those of you that may be new to BOF, not only do we have our new improvements, but we have our classic features and benefits that everybody knows and loves us for. So we can do any shelf depth, French doors, single doors, any color and any caster size or upright size to make sure we fit through all your access doors as well. Our proprietary glide sheet we've made thicker and we put silicone all the way through the material, and this is what gives it its 10-year useful life. We can also, if you prefer, mix and match VersaRoll and VersaSlide within your Milk Moover shelf frames and retrofit into your existing stores. So this is very important because not only did we just get you 5/8 inch more merchandising space, along that run with an 1/8 inch divider, you get even more shelf space to work with. Since yours is only as clean as your dairy, and pretty much every shopper is going to make a stop there, it's critical that you keep everything clean. So we've got our large and small drip trays, we've got bumpers to hold them in place, and we also have portable units on casters to make sure you can rip it away, clean underneath, and put it back very easily. Our customers have tested our product to pay for itself in under 1 year with increased sales, reduced restocking labor, better FIFO inventory. With our new features and benefits, we can drive your ROI even further now. So make sure you take some time, get a digital or in-person meeting so you can learn some more.